everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the March 2021 SketchBox Premium Box. Let's get into what we got this month. The art on the outside of the box is by Danica Saavedra. Her Instagram is @totsi_, and it is an illustration of some beautiful dogs. As always, we have an insert in the box that shows us what can be done with this month's art supplies. This is by Kingsley Von Zandt. Based in Richmond, Virginia, Kingsley is an illustrator and tattoo artist with a focus on the natural world. He is most known for his breathtaking work with illustration markers and has published several sketchbook compilations showcasing his work. Make sure you check out his Etsy shop where you can find a collection of pins, keychains, masks, and more. Since this month's focus is illustration markers, our sticker for the month is a sticker of a marker. Now to get into the actual art supplies. The first item we got is a Marabou marker set. This SketchBox exclusive marker set comes with 2 permanent markers, 3 alcohol-based markers, and a blender to help achieve subtle gradients. The retail price for this is normally $17.50. I've used the alcohol-based Marabou markers before. I actually like them a lot. I'm not a fan of the blender. Every time I've tried to use it, it just lightens up the markers, which would be great if you're trying to go into a smooth gradient into white, but mixing 2 colors together doesn't work quite as well. The alcohol-based markers have a chisel tip and they also have a fine tip, which I'm showing right here, the difference between those. These permanent markers I've never used before, so it's going to be a little different. They have like a super fine tip and then a bullet nib on the other side. I think the color selection so far is very interesting. We got pink, red, purple, brown, and green. It's quite a variety of colors here. Right now I'm just showing how poorly that blender actually works when trying to blend the 2 colors together. Next I will be showing how well they blend together just as normal alcohol-based markers by doing a little bit of layering. Like I said earlier, I'm not a big fan of the marker blender that comes with the Marabou sets. I'm probably not going to use it. But you don't really need it. Look how beautifully they blend just by using the markers. We continue the alcohol-based marker train with a Copic sketch marker in V12, which is pale lilac. Dual-tipped alcohol marker. Try using the chisel tip to fill in large areas and the brush tip for finer organic marks. The retail price for this is normally $7.99. We have another Copic marker. This time it's a Copic classic marker. It is in V15, which is mallow. Great for large areas, this alcohol-based marker also comes with a bullet tip for detail work. The retail price for this is also $7.99. I am really enjoying the color palette we got this month so far, and right here I'm just showing how the 2 Copics blend together. We have even more markers. These are 2 AD Spectra markers. They are an 047, which is walnut, and 012, which is wine. These richly colored alcohol markers complement and add dimension to the custom Marabou set included in this month's box. The retail price for these are normally $6.55 each. I really like the wine color in here, and I feel like I'm going to use that a lot in a lot of other marker projects later. They also blend really beautifully together, and they will work really well with the other markers. The final item we got is a surface to use these markers on. It is 80 marker paper. It is 4 by 6 inches in a pad, and it has 24 sheets in it. This bright white smooth coated paper is perfect for marker rendering and provides crisp edges unlike other papers. The retail price for this is normally $8.49. The paper itself is kind of thin and it's really smooth. It doesn't quite feel like bristleboard or vellum. We'll see later how it works when we work on the project. And that project will be the next video. If you liked this one, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, please let me know all about it in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!